Good afternoon. My name is Osman Siat. I'm leading a team of coordinators from the northern Kenya, and we are here in support of our party leader, and in collaboration with the United Opposition. I think there was a lot of speculation, but if you have eyes now, you see Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka is here, and he's not going anywhere. Two, we have had a long discussion with him today, and now we're heading to the north. On 22nd and 23rd, we have rallies and opening of offices in Garissa, Wajir, Mandera, Isiolo, and Marsabit, and also Tana River. So if you think he has gone to eat ugali, you are wrong. We trust him. This is a man who stood with the stood test of time, 2013, 2017, 2022. And now he is not like you can just call him and say we have captured him. No, he has a lot of soldiers. We are here to fight his fight. We are here to support him. I'm with a lot of my colleagues here. Abdullahi is contesting Governor Mandera. I have Arale, who is the county coordinator Mandera. We have Bashir. He's here. We have a team of about 20 professionals and politicians to support him. Now we are saying one thing. We want this election to be free and fair. Free and fair. And for the North, we don't want presiding officers to mark the ballot papers for the people, because that is where the problem is. That is the problem. Where the problem is, it is presumed that we don't know how to read and write, and that there is a written law by IIBC that presiding officers will mark for everybody. Mulisikia hiyo? Hiyo si ni rigging. Ama inakuwa namna gani? So we are here to confirm and to affirm our support for Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Thank you very much.
Thank you. By the way, before